Okay. In the sketch alongside, we have BF. Ne? Do you see BF? BF is parallel to CE. Ne? And then if those two are parallel to each other, then it means we need to look at the parallel, we need to look at the triangles so that we can have the prop theorem. Ne? So the triangle number one that we saw here with double chord, so we identify triangle A, C, E. You see the triangle ACE, this one. So this is the first triangle that we see here. And then we can highlight it. We need it. So we are going to highlight what that we need. So we need this one. Okay. What else? We also have another triangle, which is hidden. You know, it's not so clear. The other one that I saw, Mina, is this one. The other D, F, B. Yeah? This one. Now it also has the parallel lines. So these are the two triangles that we're going to be dealing with. Green one, we also have the one, the red one. Maybe in this case, it's like we can call it, what is this? A case whereby you can separate them because they are not so clear. You can just put this one of the red green one here. Doesn't look like a triangle. It looks like it looks like a peristal. All right. So maybe okay, but you can see it is green. The other one is red. It's green, and then it's what it's red. And then we go to start from the known, go to the unknown. What are you given here? You are given number one, AF, A to F, is to what? Is to AD, is to A to D, like this. So what is AF? AF, it's 5R. What is AD? AD, it's 11R. And then the other thing that you can also get is this one, FD. You can get FD in terms of R. Starting from here to here is 11R. Meaning this one starting from here to here. Even if they didn't say anything about it, I can just put it there and say this is 6R. Because 5R plus 6R, they're going to give us what? 11R. Yes. So I don't know, we might need it. Yes. I'm just thinking to myself, hey, what if we need it? So the other one that is given, it's CD, which is equivalent to 2 PC. Yes. Meaning, in other words, if I divide by PC both sides, then it says BC is going to be 2:1. Yes. So we do have a ratio of 2:1. Is to 1. So let's go to DC then. We have DC, which is it's 2P. Ne? And then starting from here to here is 2P. Eh? And then BC, it's 1P. One part. This is one part. Yeah. It's part. Okay. Now that you have this, then you can then go and add. Now we have the known now. Yes. We are done with the known. Where do you get the known? You get it from the statement. Now let's bring in things that we didn't know, but they are true. How are they true? They are true because of the parallel lines. Yes. So the parallel lines makes them to be true. What is the first one that I can tell them about? I can tell them about this is 1P. This is also going to be 1X. This is also going to be what? To be 2X. And then, because that one was not there, I'm bringing it, it's new. I'm going to tell them, wait till I get it. I'm going to tell them what I have CD all over BC. Ne? Okay, it's CD all over BC, which is going to be ED. Ne? Yes. All over EF. Ne? Yeah. And then you said I should use prop. Ne? Let me use prop for the first time. Because theorem. Because we have BF is parallel to CE. BF is parallel to CE. To EC. Like this. Yes, okay, sure. But, yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
If the number is I think you get a BF parallel to CE, you got a GF parallel to to CE. Wrong.
You said GF.
Yeah, but
But you see this one, it's ending here.
Yes, to different.
Yeah, if maybe you are talking about the green one.
Yeah, can like the red one. So am I wrong? Yeah, you're wrong.
Yeah, you're not necessarily wrong, but I'm just saying the right thing will be for you to go from here to here because we're talking about the red. If we're working on the red one, okay. So we say in other words we can tell them which ED all over EF is going to be equal to 2:1. We agree then.
X.
There's no one who's agree the X and the X they are going to
the
X will put them on the diagram, but here X and X are going to divide each other out.
Okay.
So the only thing is just to make sure which is now we understand which these things they are from different families. So okay, that one is fine. I wanted to go back inside here. Okay, next. What else can we tell them which is also not there? I can also say something like this. I can say AG all over GC. I'm going to write this. It's not there. I'm going to write it. AG, it's 5K. I didn't use K.
Yes.
Is to, I don't know this part.
Yeah, you don't know that part. They are not correlating.
They are not correlated. Okay, but I can make it to be 1x. It's fine. Oh, but I can't use. Okay, I can't use. So I don't know this ratio of AF is to EF. I have no idea. But I know which I can relate the X and the R. Yes. Yeah, but maybe that's the other job that I will have to do. So you see, I tried to relate these two, but there was no relation. Or I could have related them using the different letters, which was not going to help us because we were going to have 5R and 1N and 1X, which we said we can't use exactly the same letters from that side as this side. So which we're supposed to use two new different letters to relate this one and that one. Okay, let's check. What is it that they're looking for? Let's start with what they're looking for. Maybe it will help us. So we want AF all over ED. Let's go and check what is AF. AF in terms of R, I think we got it.
It's 5R. Yeah, we got it. It's 5R.
It's 5R. This one. Okay, let's write that one. So we have 5R sharp. And then we want what? ED.
Yes, which is
from E to D.
2x.
Which is 2x. It's fine. Let's put it there. This is going to be 2x. Yes. Okay, now we still have that situation whereby we have R and what and X. How do we relate them such that they give us one thing? There's a person who can give us that.
Yes.
It's FD.
FD.
So we can tell them which if we're using FD, what does FD has? It has 3x. Yeah. Which is going to be equal to what? 6R. We divide by 3. It says X is going to be 2R. So instead of X here, we can come and put what?
2R.
Can come and put 2R. So we have what?
5 over 4.
So we have 5 all over 4. This one is fine.
Yes.
Because we said it's 5. It's 2 multiplied by 2R.
Yes.
And here you have R and R, they cancel. And then you say we have 5 all over what? All over 4. Let's come back and update this one. Because we wanted also to make sure which when we go to that site, just in case we need it, I think we need it. It's AG all over. Yeah. We need AG all over AC. Okay, let's come and have one X. Yeah, let's come and say, but we know what is X in terms of R. Right?
Yes, it's 2R.
Is what?
2R.
It's 2R.
Yeah,
so it means which we can come and tell them this is what? This is 2R.
2R.
So as we move to this side, it means which we can come and tell them, well, this is 5K. It's 2K.
Yes.
And then we have starting from there to there. Some of them, and these things you can see them. This one is 7K.
Yes.
It's clear. But because that one was new, we added it. We need to tell them about it.
Yes.
So we're going to tell them which we have. Let's go to, should we say A? Sometimes you write it. It's AF. AF is to
AE.
AE. Yeah, let's go to AF is to AE.
AG is to AC. So, AC. Yeah. That's one more.
So we have AF is to AE.
Yes.
This is going to be equal to AG.
Yes.
Is to AG is to
AC.
AC. And then this one is prop theorem.
Yes.
So you say I should say prop
Because GF is parallel.
theorem because
GF is parallel to CE.
GF is parallel to
CE.
CE, like this.
Yes.
Okay, sharp. But now we know what is this AF, Muslim?
Yeah, it's
AF is 5R, ne?
yeah, 5R.
This is 5R all over 7R, which is going to be equal to AG is to AC. R and R, they're dividing each other out, okay?
Yes.
And then this is going to be our final answer.